In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a gradient in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva. And when you do that, you will either be taken into the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Regardless of where you are, look over to the left-hand column and click on projects. Now, you need to locate the project in which you would like to add this new gradient. So for me, let's say this is the design. Now, once the design is open, to add a gradient, you will first need to click on the elements that you would like to add it to. So that can be a shape, object, or text. So I'm going to add it to part of this element, this logo element. So now that I've clicked it, you need to locate the row of options that will appear and click on the text color icon. When you do that, there'll be a text color menu that appears on the left-hand side of your screen. So under the section called text colors, there'll be a colorful palette with a plus icon. Click on that palette. And when you do that, you will see two tabs, a solid color tab, as well as a gradient tab. You want to make sure that you click on gradient, and inside that tab you'll see gradient colors. So you will want to click on the rainbow color palette with a plus icon in it to add a new gradient color. So once you click on that, you will be able to now create your new color gradient. And as you're creating it, you can see a live preview of what to expect. So once you're happy with the gradient color, you can select the style that you would like. So there are different styles, and on the right hand side you can preview what it will look like using these different styles. So I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. So now that it has been selected, we simply click out and we have our new gradient. So then now when you click on another element, you can come up to the text color icon once again, and you will see the new gradient added as an official option in your text colors. And it's the exact same process for different elements. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any issues or struggles along the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section of this video.